Tesla got a new signal for short-term trader. And what is the resistance for Tesla? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to ymchannel. Today, I will show you what is going on with Tesla. Any risk and any insights for Tesla. Welcome to ymchannel. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Now we look at Tesla using my indicator called YM Club Fast, YM Club Long. You can see this three line, okay? The fast trend line, which is the red, the blue, and the super long one is the purple. Okay, they tell you the free trend line for the three different time frame: the fast one, the regular one, and the super long one. Okay, so basically, if we look at the super long one, you can see from downtrend and now we're getting flat, and hopefully they change the direction to upward very soon. So apart from the purple one, the blue is still going upward. So this is still an upward trend. This is still upward trend. If you have my indicator, this is easy. If you don't have my indicator, you can draw a trend line like this to see, okay, we are now still upward trend. Okay, with my indicator also, you can see very easily right away, upward, uptrend. Okay, so but the one thing we have some problem with Tesla recently. Look at this three candle. Okay, the first thing is they drop below the red already. They drop below the red, and we have YM big buy to tell you the fund. Remember, when we do trading, we need to know three things. First, the trend line. Okay, upward trend or downward trend. The second, the fund movement. When do they enter the stock? And also, they are buying or they're selling. You need to know this, okay? And then you can tell the buy and sell point. So for first thing, for the regular investor, if you buy with the blue, you buy here, and you still keep it. There's no sell signal, okay? Number one. Number two, for the fast term or short term trader, okay? Look at here. You buy here, now you sell. You buy here. When they go above the red, you sell when they drop below the red. Remember, we trade when it's the blue going upward. Okay, so you can also, if you are the long-term investor, you can also reduce here. It's up to you, but it's not necessary. You can buy and sell later when they drop below the blue. Now we don't have the regular for the regular timeline. We don't have sell point, but we have sell point for the short-term investor. Okay, number one. Number two, look at the yellow. The light yellow is my indicator called overbought. The yellow is overbought. And when the yellow disappear, they drop below. This is a sell signal. At the same time, they drop below the red. So you sell. Okay? This is very easy. Purple is opposite. Purple is oversold. When they disappear and they go above, you buy. Okay? So so now we have the yellow signal. I want to give you another thing is where is the resistance, which is the last yellow candle, the highest price. This one is our resistance. With my indicator, it's very easy. You don't need to learn so much about the candle pattern. Only with my indicator, you can tell where's the resistance already. So right now, for very short-term for short-term investor, you should not have any stock in hand. Okay, for regular investor, you buy here, you still have it because you're buying quite low. Okay, for the short-term investor, you're buying here 293 and you're selling basically this candle. Okay, so basically you're making profit. How much profit you make here? From here, you still sell here. You're making 19%. 19%. Okay, in 7 days. So are you happy? Happy? Click like right now. So another thing is YM chippers. We have a small problem. We start to have the green chips here, which is from today. We start to have one lock chips. We need to remove this. So which is actually you can tell it's quite in a sequence. Look, so when we have the green is the lock chips, mean the individual get locked. We need to remove the green in order to the price go very fast. Okay, every single time is the same. When the green disappear, the stock will go super fast. Okay, now the green appear again, and we have a resistance here. Okay, so you see everything is consistent, the data about the trend, the indicator, and also the fund movement. So if you want to have this indicator, this is exclusive. You can click the link in the description, and I see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, before that, YM chip entry. I want to check with you. Do we have new entry? No, but we have entry previously here and here. Okay. And I told you before, if you want Tesla to have a very long-term bull one, we can also check, which can check two things. One, the free line, this free line have to be in the same direction. Imagine the boat, right? If they are all in the same direction, they are pushing the stock forward very fast, just like here, just like here. If they're not in the same direction, they basically one go forward, two go downward. This is not pushing forward, okay? This is not pushing forward. So you need three in the same direction. We are now switching the purple into that direction, right? Hopefully they can success. And another thing you can look is also the weekly chart. The weekly chart, you can see, are we in the same direction yet? Not yet. Look at here. When you're in the same direction, red, the best is red, blue, purple, and then boom, jump all the way up. Even this three, this period, why they go up and down, because they're not, yes, they're in the same direction, but the sequence is wrong. The first one has to be above, and then blue, and then the last, the below one is the purple. In this way, they push faster. Okay, so this is the update for Tesla. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and see you in the next video. Bye.